How to see someone's online or last seen in Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Snapchat application. Then among these three options in your navigation bar, go to the leftmost option from the bottom. And here your snap map will appear. After that, tap on the person that you want to see the last scene of Snapchat in, and now you will be able to see it here. So this account was last active 3 hours ago. You can also do it to other accounts as well, and also send them the reactions like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.